Do you have your heart set on a girl, but maybe you're thinking, not too sure if she's feeling the same way? Now, let's be honest, trying to figure out if those feelings are reciprocated can be extremely challenging at times, but today, you are in luck. And this video is going to detail all of the psychological tricks that you can use to make your crush fall head over heels for you. Now, it can be extremely confusing sometimes to gauge if a woman is actually into you or not. But by implementing these super easy psychological hacks, you can prompt your crush to realize their true feelings for you. So keep watching, like and subscribe. Trick number one is to use lots of eye contact. You probably didn't realize, but eye contact can be really sexy. It shows that you are invested and interested in the person that you are looking and talking to. Now, you've probably heard of the expression that the eyes are the mirrors to the soul. And you know what? It's true. Lots of eye contact really strengthens that bond and the depth of the connection that you have with someone. Prolonged eye contact has actually been shown to trigger the release of a chemical, and this underpins all of those nice feelings of attraction. And other research suggests that eye contact with someone that you are into can also trigger the release of oxytocin, otherwise known as the love drug. So gents, if you want to win your crush around, make sure you maintain lots of eye contact. Just make sure you blink a couple of moments because you can come across a little bit creepy. Wear red. That's right. Several studies have shown that by simply you wearing red, you can dramatically raise your sex appeal and your attractiveness. According to research, lots of research at that, when women see a guy wearing red, well, they associate that color to a high status and dominance, which are all of the attractive traits that a man needs to have. Now, the color red is also said to trigger that primitive instinct of attraction in a lady. So if you want to capture your crush's interest, consider dressing in a crimson color. Having lots of attractive people around you, especially attractive women. Another part of our research in today's video has found that when you hang around with a group of attractive people, people will tend to view you as more attractive. This is down to something called the cheerleader effect, where your brain looks at a set of people and kind of creates an average. So if the majority of people around you are attractive to look at, you will also be considered attractive. When it comes to attracting girls, then as a guy, if you are hanging around lots of beautiful women, this also increases your attraction and makes you more desirable. This is because girls are often quite competitive and will consider you to be a high-value man if you have so many beautiful women around you. Do a thrill-seeking activity with them. Did you know that simply by taking your crush on a daring excursion can dramatically increase their attraction to you? Science has found that the increased release of adrenaline in thrill-seeking activities also increases the level of attraction between men and women. Several studies have commented on the relationship between adrenaline and arousal. So if you want to spark your crush's interest, simply try and convince them to join you in an adrenaline-inducing activity. Spend lots of time with her. This is probably a no-brainer, right? That the more time you spend with someone, the more likely that attraction is going to grow between you both. Not only does spending time with someone show them that you value and care about them deeply, but it gives you the opportunity to connect on a deeper level. Spending more time with someone gives you the opportunity to discover and to share more about yourself. First dates are often quite superficial, so investing more time into a person allows for more insightful conversations to take place. Spending more time together also makes physical attraction less important, since compatibility will be based on your interaction. Whilst we're on the topic of spending time together, let me make this super clear. You need this time together to be friendly and warming. Now, most guys assume that by hanging out with their crush is a great thing, and well, it is, but this is not a signal for you to get more physical and try to speed things up. However, by taking things slow and using this time to actually hang out like friends, you build the intimacy more. Now, I guess you could say that you are purposely friend-zoning yourself. However, from a lady's perspective, she will respect you more if you are a solid friend instead of a guy desperate to move things along. So gents, use this time to be vulnerable, share your secrets, and just enjoy each other's company. Now here's a tip. Use this time to vet her out. Make sure she is the right girl for you, because this is very common. Most guys fall head over heels for a lady and they want to rush the relationship, and then eventually when they are together and they do start to hang out like friends and just, kick it back and just chill, that's when he realizes, she's not as compatible as I once thought she was for me, and then he has to majorly compromise or break things off. Laugh together. Humor is frequently rated as being one of the most important characteristics in a potential partner from both sexes. In fact, humor is even more highly rated than intelligence when it comes to desirable traits in a romantic partner. Now, when you can laugh together, chances are your relationship is more likely to become something serious. However, always keep your humor and your jokes classy. Make sure you don't use any kind of self-deprecating humor or mocking jokes toward yourself. And if you can, try to keep it natural. Laughter is a great medicine in any relationship, just don't force it. Address them by name. Research has found that humans respond positively to hearing their name being used in conversations. Hearing your name is affirming, and it serves as, a little ego boost. It can heighten the attraction between two people. Addressing your crush by her name makes her feel special, and you subconsciously make a point of letting her know you are only thinking about her. So whilst you don't need to throw in her name every other sentence, it's worthwhile making a point of addressing her by name at some point in your conversation. Compliment and affirm her. Women are social and very emotional creatures, and the words that you speak to her are very important to her overall self-esteem and well-being. And if you have a crush on a girl, then chances are you can list a good few things that you really like about her. So start by telling her these things. Keep your compliments authentic and genuine, because most women will be able to tell if you're just complimenting her with an ulterior motive. So tell her the things about her which you are really attracted to, and keep those compliments short, sweet, and warm. Don't go overboard, because this could just come across as creepy and desperate, but let her know that you really appreciate her and boost her self-esteem. Girls, remember, want to be with someone who encourages and uplifts them, so don't shy away from compliments. Tell her that you like her. Yeah, this one might seem a little bit obvious, but actually, telling your crush that you like them is a great way of getting them to like you back. For one, it shows you have confidence, and confidence is incredibly super attractive. And if the girl shares the same feelings for you, then your honesty is likely to encourage her to share her feelings too. And on the flip side, if she doesn't share your feelings, she is likely to still appreciate your honesty, and it means neither of you will be wasting your time. So although I get it, it can seem a little bit daunting and very worrying, consider telling your crush directly how you feel about them and wait and see how they respond. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned some really great tricks for impressing your crush. And there you go, we've reached the end of the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you liked this video or if I missed something very important from today's list. I hope this video has helped you gain a deep understanding of female psychology. Until the next video, like and subscribe, and if you want your name rolling up on this board like these people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below. Take care, bye bye.